the latest from Peugeot. This car's been flown in from France just for today's event. The budget of 500,000 has gone into that car. We've got an overnight stop at Ballasalla. Get here for today's event. Here comes Halligan. Kevin Hooper, car number 7, he needs to go faster than that. No, here he goes, he's going. Here we go, here we go. Give him a cheer. Whoa! Wow. Hey. That's alright, that's not bad of that. You carry on the telehandler. You'll get some speed on, get some speed on. Here you go. Whoa! Let's get behind these drivers, believe you me. They want to come and put a show on for you. Come on, Dan. Do us proud. We're ready to go. I think we're ready to go. Stand them on, Dan, feel them. Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. Get behind Dan. Let's give them a big cheer here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get them going. Come on, Dan, you put your foot down. Hey, nothing. Dan Feilding is a little Ford car. We're ready to go. Here we go. Come on, Dan. Come on, is it? Oh, big one. I think it's on. Get behind our drive. Give him a big cheer. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. That's a good jump, that. I think we're almost ready to go. Don't forget to come on, Noel. Come on, Noel, faster. Hey. Car. He's having a bit of a runnel. Kevin Hooper's next up in the car number 7. Give her a big cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Get behind him. Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Come on. His airbag went off. He's ready. He's getting excited. The drone is up in the air. He's excited. He wants to go. What's the car down? Come on.
Oh, he's going in.
Wow. Good man. I think we're ready to go. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. Everyone's up a thumbs up. Tom, give him a big cheer. You'll be 10 miles an hour faster for you, Tom. Want to go? Here we go. Go on, give him a cheer. Come on, Tom. Walmsley Airport. The works mechanics support this secret Honda Civic into the event here today. You might see Concord take off earlier from Walmsley. Here we go. Let's get big cheer. Big cheer. again. Is he going again? I think he's going again. Wow! Whoa! Good man. Right, I think it's part of the course, man. It's part of the course. Is he happy? He's happy, yeah. He's not his head. He's happy. Up next is Sayle, isn't. Don't forget to get behind our drivers. They're all racing here for money. There's lots of spectacular ones as well. Jack's excited. We're all ready to go. Are we ready to go?
Let's go.
I think we're ready to go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, now give a big cheer. Whoa! Whoa! We're ready to go. Here he comes. Give a big cheer. Get behind him. Look at the horsepower going down. The smoke trailing. Give a big cheer. Come on. Here he goes. Come on. Come on. Wow. Whoa. Oh. Headlights on. Oh, good man. Oh, it's going. Give a cheer. Go on, give a cheer. 3 more drivers to go. Wow. Wow. That was 8. Good man, Gary. Get your concrete boots on. Put them on the throttle.
Right, he's on his way.
Here we go, here we go. Now let's give her a big cheer.